Right, I'm up Deer Farm. I've got some equipment with me now. All of it in the Panda. Just eating some chocolate raisins. Yeah, I'm going to put that colony from the bridal wear shop into that nuke because I've got some frames. It's going to be a messy job. I've not got my GoPro. I forgot. And I've got 2 empty hives to put on the stand, ready for the 2 nukes to go in that are in the garden, depending on whether Rob Random's bees are good or not, or what's going on. Yeah, but we got crap weather. It's like thunderstorms and rain and rubbish, so not good. Not what we want. Yep, they're all flying. They're all busy bees. It pays to be a busy bee. Buzz 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 bee. I might as well turn around now, unload the 2 hives to go on the stands, and then in the week Owen said he's going to help me lift them 2 big boys onto that stand because he's a big strapping young strong lad. Yeah, I'm going to get attacked doing this. So yeah, we're going to put the dark brown box with a bucket on top, which is bridal bees. We're going to put them in that poly nuke. Jesus Christ, look at the smoker. Got that going well, didn't it? Shit. I always like my smoker from the top, which you shouldn't really do that because then all the heat is on the top. But I don't know why I do. I do. It works. Yeah, so we put them 2 empty hives on that stand. Didn't get attacked. Have a little honey pull this week off some of these. But now, yeah, we're going to put that swarm into the nuke. It's going to be messy because they're built on the roof. So, but I bought like bare frames to elastic band their comb in, get them going, and we put them in that poly nuke with the green door. Green door. Yeah, sun's out, so we'll take the chance while the sun's out to do it. So there's definitely a queen in them because there's brood in there already. They've just gone a bit wonky donkey with the comb, so I'll just reframe it. Yeah, there's brood in there, so she was straight in there and on it over at Corby. So we've just got to try and find her. Little super cut there, little play cut. Yeah, I'll keep going through. We might find her. They're fanning, they're calm, so that's what we like, calm bees. So we put elastic band on this to pull it straight because it's bulging one side, although it might be alright if we put it against the wall, and then she's got a new frame there that's straight on. So yeah, anyway, I'll crack on. Right, so like a dope, they're a Langstroth and I'm going national, so I'm going to have to reframe the lot, so things are about to get a bit more messy. So everything's mighty fine on a Sunday in this bee hood. We put some frames on the my national one because they're on it. There's a flow on. It should have bees, so hopefully weather stays nice. We get sun, but we get rain. You've got to have both, and they'll fill up. There's a couple of colonies that I've got to have a good look at, see what's going on. Probably requeen them. Might breed. Well, we'll get a little breed going off that little number 2, I think. Get some queens going, ready to requeen. Them Red Bull, Happybees Red Bull Tiger queens. Filling up hives. They make stacks, tell ya. They're good queens. And they're sort of local to us, bred with a breeder queen that I got. And I've also been doing little experiments like with some of the farm bees and stuff, all of their queens. When them bees first went up there, they were so aggressive. You had to take your suit off at the other side of the field, and within minutes the bees were on you, trying to kill you. And we got that out of all of them hives up there. You know, we requeened them with calm queens. Oh, hello bee, but also they're local. So yeah, look at this one. What's up, lady? Go on, chat camera. You on telly? On the screen. What you trying to tell me? What? Skippy's fell down the well? Struth, mate. I'll get help. I'm getting in the panda right now. As soon as you get in the car, I can hear one in the boot. Little buggers.